Hello everyone, myself Swetha from 2nd BCom B from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. I am here to share an interesting topic in artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, any technique that enables computers to mimic human intelligence. It includes machine learning. Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence that includes techniques that enable machines to improve at a task with experience. It includes deep learning. What is deep learning? A subset of machine learning based on neural networks that permit a machine to train itself to perform a task. Machine learning. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that enables a system to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed automatically. Machine learning is dynamic and is not based on hard-coded, rule-coded construction. Here, the machine learning process flow or its life cycle. Define project objective. Specify the business problem, convert the business problem to statistical problem and then to optimization problem. Define the unit of analysis and the prediction target. Acquire and explore data. Find and acquire the appropriate data. Data pre-processing to create homogeneity. Conduct the exploratory data analysis. Feature engineering. Model building. Variable selection. Select the right machine learning algorithms to identify the patterns. Build the candidate models. Model validation. Validate the model. Tune the parameters. Interpret and communicate. Interpret model. Communicate model insights. Data visualization. Implement, document and maintain. Create visual graphs of the results. Document the modeling process for reproducibility. Create model monitoring and maintenance plan. Machine learning versus artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is human intelligence demonstrated by machines to perform simple to complex tasks. Machine learning. It provides machines the ability to learn and understand without being explicitly programmed. Artificial intelligence. The idea behind artificial intelligence is to program machines to carry out tasks in more human ways or smart ways. Machine learning. The key to teaching computers to think and understand like we do is machine learning. Artificial intelligence. It is based on characteristics of human intelligence. Machine learning. It is based on the system of probability. Artificial intelligence. It is used in healthcare, finance, transportation, aviation, marketing, media, education, etc. Machine learning. It is used for optical character recognition, web security, imitation learning, etc. Types of machine learning. Regression, classification, clustering. Types of machine learning under the topics: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. Supervised learning, classification, fraud detection, email spam detection, diagnostics, image classification. Regression, risk assessment, score prediction. Unsupervised learning, dimensionality reduction, text mining, face recognition, big data visualization, image recognition. Clustering, biology, city planning, targeted marketing. Reinforcement learning, gaming, finance sector, manufacturing, inventory management, robot navigation. There are three main types of problems that can be solved using machine learning. Regression. In regression problems, the output is continuous. Example, want to predict this loan amount, speed of the wind, speed of the car. Classification. Here, predicting an event or class of the data into a predefined group. The output is a categorical value. Example, classifying emails into two classes, spam or not spam, whether a person has diabetes or not have diabetes. Clustering. In this problem, we classify the data into n number of classes, where n is not predefined. Example, clustering customers into similar groups based on their demographics, interests, purchase history. Algorithms of machine learning. The machine learning topics also involve algorithms. The four primary types of learning and along with their respective algorithms available. Machine learning algorithms: supervised learning, semi-supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, the algorithm learns on the labeled dataset where the response is known. This acts as a supervisor to train the model that provides an answer key that the algorithm can use to evaluate its accuracy on training data. This is used to predict the values for future or unseen data. This is a task-driven technique. Examples of supervised learning are customer churn, employee attrition, detection of fraud transactions, forecasting sales price of products, predicting subscriptions renewals, spam filtering, handwriting recognition. The supervised learning algorithms are linear recognition, logistic regression, decision trees, k-nearest neighbors, naive Bayes, support vector machine. Semi-supervised learning. Semi-supervised learning falls between the supervised and unsupervised learning techniques. It uses both the labeled and unlabeled data for training, where the labeled data is typically a small amount and the unlabeled data is large in number. It is useful for speech analysis, web content classification, photo tagging, text documentation. The algorithms of semi-supervised learning are pseudo-labeling, semi-supervised generative adversarial network. In unsupervised learning, the models infers the hidden structure pattern on the unlabeled data. There is no response or the target variable present in such data to supervise the analysis from what is right of what is wrong. The machine tries to identify the pattern and gives the response. In the absence of the desired output, the data is categorized or segmented using clustering. The algorithm learns to differentiate correctly between the face of a human to the face of a horse or cat. This is a behavior-driven technique. Examples of unsupervised learning: customer segmentation, image segmentation, market basket analysis, delivery store optimization, identifying accident-prone areas. The unsupervised learning algorithms are k-means clustering, agglomerative clustering, spectral clustering, association analysis, principal component analysis. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is based on the feedback loop where an agent and environment is set up. This technique is behavior driven and is based on the reinforcements learned via trial and error. Here, the agent learns how to behave in an environment by performing certain actions and observing the rewards and the results, which it gets from taking those actions. One example of this is to learn how to ride a bicycle. This method can optimize the operational productivity of systems, including robotics, academics, supply chain, logistics, manufacturing. Thank you for this great opportunity.